Like, comment, share, and subscribe now. A to Z, words with sentence for kids. A is for apple. I eat a red apple every day. B is for bowl. I play with a big blue bowl. C is for cat. The cat sleeps on the mat. D is for dog. The dog loves to run fast. E is for egg. The egg is white and round. F is for fish. A little fish swims in the pond. G is for goat. The goat eats green grass. H is for hat. I wear a red hat in the sun. I is for ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream. J is for jelly. The jelly is sweet and wobbly. K is for kite. My kite flies high in the sky. L is for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. The monkey jumps on the tree. N is for nest. The bird sits in her nest. O is for orange. I drink orange juice every morning. P is for penguin. Penguins waddle in the snow. Q is for queen. The queen wears a golden crown. R is for rabbit. The rabbit hops in the garden. S is for sun. The sun shines bright and warm. T is for turtle. The turtle walks very slowly. U is for umbrella. I carry an umbrella in the rain. V is for van. The van takes us to school. W is for watermelon. I love cold watermelon in summer. X is for xylophone. I play music on my xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. My yo-yo goes up and down. Z is for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Hurrah! We did it! We complete the whole lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Cloudy Bibha.